Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's explore how to enjoy Spanish sardines in everyday meals, and what makes them a smart choice for heart and brain health. Health benefits and nutritional value of Spanish sardines. Beyond their delicious taste and versatility, Spanish sardines are a nutritional powerhouse. Adding them to your diet brings many health advantages, from supporting your heart to boosting your brain. Let's look at why these small fish pack such a big health punch. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Spanish sardines are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These are good fats your body needs but can't make on its own. They play a significant role in your overall health. Here's why omega-3s are so important. Heart health. Omega-3s help lower triglyceride levels and can reduce blood pressure. They also promote healthy blood vessel function, keeping your heart strong. Brain function. These fatty acids are vital for brain health and development. They support cognitive function, memory, and even mood regulation. Inflammation reduction. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases linked to inflammation. Excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Spanish sardines are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They offer a simple way to get a wide range of nutrients in one tasty package. Consider these key nutrients you'll find. Vitamin D. This vitamin is crucial for strong bones and a healthy immune system. It also helps your body absorb calcium effectively. Vitamin B12. Important for nerve function and red blood cell formation. Vitamin B12 helps keep your energy levels up. Calcium. While often associated with dairy, sardines, especially with bones, are a great source of calcium. This mineral is necessary for bone density and muscle function. Selenium. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your cells from damage. It also supports thyroid health and immune function. Sustainable and environmentally friendly choice. Choosing Spanish sardines is not only good for you but also often good for the planet. Many consider them a sustainable seafood option. This is due to several environmental factors. Here's why sardines are a smart choice. Lower on the food chain. Sardines eat plankton, not other fish. This means they accumulate fewer toxins like mercury, common in larger predatory fish. Rapid reproduction. Sardines reproduce quickly and in large numbers. This makes their populations more resilient to fishing pressure. Efficient harvesting. The methods used to catch sardines are generally less harmful to marine ecosystems. They also result in less bycatch of other species. Where to buy and how to store Spanish sardines. Finding quality Spanish sardines and keeping them fresh is easier than you might think. Knowing what to look for when you buy them and how to store them properly ensures you get the best flavor and texture every time. Identifying quality Spanish sardines. When you're ready to buy Spanish sardines, a few key details can help you pick the best ones. It really comes down to where they come from, how they are packaged, and what ingredients they contain. Look for these indicators of quality. Origin. Always check the label for the country of origin. Authentic Spanish sardines will clearly state they are from Spain. Brands from the Cantabrian Sea region are often highly regarded for their rich, flavorful fish. Packaging. You'll typically find Spanish sardines in glass jars or tins. Glass jars allow you to see the sardines, letting you check for whole, intact fish in clear oil. Tins are also excellent, especially those with traditional designs. Always make sure the tin isn't dented or bulging, which could indicate spoilage. Ingredients. Good quality Spanish sardines are usually packed in extra virgin olive oil. This oil preserves the fish and adds to its flavor. Avoid products where the oil isn't specified or is a lower quality vegetable oil. Some varieties might include simple additions like sea salt, bay leaves, or a single chili pepper. Keep the ingredient list short and natural. Proper storage techniques. Once you have your Spanish sardines, storing them correctly is important to maintain their taste and freshness. Whether they are unopened or you've started a jar or tin, here is how to keep them at their best. For unopened packages, follow these tips. Cool, dark place. Store unopened jars or tins in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard. This protects them from light and fluctuating temperatures, which can degrade the oil and fish over time. Check expiration dates. Always note the best by or expiration date printed on the packaging. While sardines are preserved, they do have a peak freshness period. If you have opened a jar or tin of Spanish sardines, refrigerate immediately. Once opened, sardines must be refrigerated. Transfer any remaining sardines and their oil into an airtight container. If they came in a tin, moving them to a glass container is a good idea. This prevents the metallic taste that can develop from prolonged contact with the tin. Keep submerged in oil. Ensure the sardines remain fully submerged in their oil. The oil acts as a barrier against air, which can cause the fish to dry out and lose flavor. If needed, you can add a little extra olive oil to cover them completely. Consume promptly. Opened Spanish sardines are best consumed within 3 to 5 days when stored correctly in the refrigerator. After this, their quality will start to decline. Spanish sardines offer more than just a meal. They provide a unique culinary journey. Their specific origins, careful preparation methods, and rich flavor make them stand apart. From simple tapas to complex main courses, their versatility transforms any dish. Enjoying Spanish sardines also means embracing a food packed with omega-3s, essential vitamins, and minerals, all from a sustainable source. Explore these flavorful fish and elevate your meals. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.